Hogwarts Legacy game is getting famous nowadays, but in some situation game is giving this annoying error called as EMP dll not found. Don't worry! In this video we are going to show you how to solve Hogwarts Legacy EMP dll not found error. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. The primary cause of this error stems from the absence of EMP dll files, and enabling your antivirus, which subsequently deletes the file, can also be a contributing factor to the occurrence of the EMP dll error. Now let's see how to fix this issue. 4DDIG data recovery software is the easiest and most comprehensive method to recover any deleted, lost, or missing. This professional data recovery tool can recover any formatted, deleted, lost, corrupt, or damaged files from Windows, Mac, SD card, USB drives, internal hard drive, external hard drive, digital cameras, and more. It supports 2,000 plus data types including photos, videos, audio, documents, and more with simply 3 steps. To recover missing EMP dll with 4DDIG, download and install the program on your system. Launch the software and select a Hogwarts Legacy game file path and click Start to proceed. Ensure that you choose all file types. 4DDIG will then scan your hard drive to locate missing or lost EMP dll files. After scanning, switch from Tree View to File View to locate your files. Select desired files you want to recover and click Recover to save them to a different partition. Now simply copy that EMP dll recovered file and paste it to base folder of game and launch the game and check whether it's working or not. The game base folder location is /c/program files x86/Hogwarts Legacy/Phoenix/binaries. If the EMP dll file is missing from your system, you have the option to obtain it by conducting an integrity check on the game files via the platform on which it was installed. This process entails the scrutiny and validation of the game files installed on your system, and it will automatically rectify the absence of files such as EMP dll. If you've installed the Hogwarts Legacy using Steam, you can verify the game files by using below steps. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer and find Hogwarts Legacy within your game library. Next, perform a right-click on the game title and proceed to select the Properties option. Clicking on Local Files will reveal additional options. Within these options, opt for the Verify the Integrity of Game Files, and patiently await the completion of the process. If you've installed the Hogwarts Legacy using Epic Game Launcher, you can verify the game files by using below steps. To begin, open Epic Game Launcher on your computer and find Hogwarts Legacy. Next, direct your attention to the 3 dots icon adjacent to the game title. Clicking on this icon will open a menu, from which you should select Manage, and subsequently, choose Verify. That's it. EMP dll may be flagged as a threat by antivirus software or the Windows firewall, resulting in its isolation for system security purposes. Should this occur, you can rectify the EMP dll not found error by restoring the EMP dll file from the virus and threat protection settings using Windows Security. Here's how to do it. Go to Start menu, search and search for Virus and Threat Protection. Select the top result in the search findings, followed by choosing the Protection History option to review the list of quarantine files on your system. Upon locating EMP dll within the quarantine files roster, proceed to click the Restore button to resolve the EMP dll not found error. In the event that the EMP dll file is not present within the protection history, it is likely absent from your PC. In this case, obtain the EMP dll from a trustworthy and reputable source and proceed to copy and paste it into the game directory. Here's how to do it. Use the link given in description and download the EMP dll file. Extract the downloaded EMP dll file and copy it and navigate to C/program files x86/Hogwarts Legacy/Phoenix/binaries file path and paste it. After that, try to launch the game and check it. If none of these approaches prove successful, you have the option to opt for a game reinstallation. Simply navigate to your game library in either Steam or the Epic Game Launcher, perform a right-click on the game, and select Uninstall. Follow the subsequent on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Afterward, reinstall the game using the game launcher by visiting the store. With this accomplished, you can then launch Hogwarts Legacy and delight in your gaming experience. So, that's how you can solve Hogwarts Legacy EMP dll not found error using above methods. Remember, DDIG Data Recovery is your trusted ally for rescuing those precious corrupted, missing, or lost files. We truly hope this video has been valuable to you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.